A 53-year-old man with a known history of emphysema is examined in the ED. Laboratory findings, along with examination, indicate that he is unable to exchange oxygen in the air and carbon dioxide in the blood. This exchange occurs in which portion of the respiratory system? The correct answer is the alveolar or air sac. Functionally, the respiratory system is divided into a conducting portion and a respiratory portion. The conducting portion starts from the nasal cavity all the way down to the terminal bronchioles. The purpose of the conducting portion is simply to bring oxygenated air into the respiratory portion, where actual gas exchange takes place. The respiratory portion starts with the respiratory bronchiole, which leads to the alveolar ducts, which finally lead to the alveolar or the air sacs.